This tutorial is part of my course on Udemy. Check out the description for more info. Hey there, in this lecture we'll make the player face the mouse no matter where it's moving. To implement the change, I'll open OPlayer. I'll open its step event. I'll scroll down to the end. Now in this part, the image X scale of the player is set to the sign of MoveX. This way, the player simply faces where it moves. So I'll remove this part. Now make sure your code looks like this. Now at the end, I'll add this. First of all, this gets the difference between the mouse's X and the player's X. Then it gets the sign of that value and stores it in this variable. So now we have either 1 or -1 based on where the mouse is relative to the player. But if the mouse's X is equal to the player's X, then the difference will be 0 and the sign will be 0 as well. So this condition makes sure that the sign is not 0. In that case, the sign is applied to the image X scale. So this way the player faces the mouse. Now let's run the game and test it. You can see that the player now faces the mouse. But there is an issue. If you move backwards, the animation still moves forward. So of course it looks off. So let's go back to the player's step event. At the end, I'll add this. First of all, the image speed is the speed of the animation. So when you set it to -1, the animation plays in reverse. Then of course, if you set it to 1, the animation plays normally. So using these conditions, we are checking if the player is moving backwards. Basically, we are checking if the player is facing in one direction and moving in the other direction. Here we are checking if the move X is not 0, which means that the player is moving horizontally. Then we are getting the sign of move X and comparing it with the sign of the mouse. So we are checking if they are not equal. If they are not equal, it means that the player is facing in one direction and moving in another. So in that case, the image speed is set to -1. So the animation moves backwards. So let's run the game and test it. Now if I move backwards, the animation moves backwards as well. If I move forward, the animation plays normally. In this section, we set up the player, the camera, the collisions, and the animations. Now we'll be starting with the next section, where we're going to add a pickaxe, breakable objects, and resources. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're interested in the course, check out the description. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.